new deals that they got. If you guys look closely, that's where we live. New lower prices. This is one of the newer items. New DeWalt and Rigid deals. Storage boxes just dropped. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. This is basically a clearance item. It's a blower. It's a 600 CFM. It's 206 down from 279. It's actually not bad. You guys have weeds and like the Milwaukee, 199. This is the handheld sprayer. Now, I heard mixed reviews about this. Let us know down in the comment section about these backpack and these handheld sprayers. Let us know if they leak or not, because I heard mixed reviews. So 170 down from 339. This is a cabinet basically for the patio. Here's another one. They're all on clearance. I guess they're gonna put some new stuff in there. That was like a bar style. You can, set some bottles in there and serve. Patio storage and deep prep station, 170. And then this one's another clearance section here. This is a Gen 2 trimmer, 143. And then they got the Mega Bass speaker there for 1997. And then they have this from the holiday season, 24.98. I don't know if it's actually that price or not, but they should be able to clearancing those out because they haven't lowered the price. Anyways, they did had like a 4th of July sale on theirs, but this is what catch my attention here with this fan. This is M12 fan, and they still have this one for $4.99 down from $5.99 for this miter saw. This thing's really nice. Wish I could have the money. All right, so this one, new lower prices, guys. 159 with the hack with the free tool. So 199 down from 159, and then all these tools do qualify if you find them on the website or on the stores, because they are rare to find. Especially that vacuum is one of the rarest items to find. They got the 4 feet nylon cable to lightning cable, which is iPhone from the Ryobi, nice braided cable. And then these are the tools that are available with that kit. That's 159. So got the pruning shear, a hammer drill, circular saw, impact wrench. All right, so this is a cheaper tier. This is the $99 one. This fan is that you are able to get these tools for free with that $99. However, they haven't lowered the price on this one. It might be selling. I don't know if it might be selling better than the other one or not, but still $99. They should lower this one as well too. All right, so 159. So these are storage racks. This one's a 48-inch, 24 by 78 in height, 5-tier. So this one's pretty nice. It does come on red. So if you guys like Milwaukee, there you go. I don't know if they make them on yellow, but they do come in red there. And this is the bigger one. So this is for bigger garage or shop area. This one's 249, and it's a 77-inch by 24 and 78 height. So they seem to be pretty solid. I personally would buy something like this. I believe I already have one similar to that, but from another brand. All right, this is a cheaper one. If you're in a budget, 149. So it's not that much cheaper. So I would definitely go with the red ones if you could, but still a little bit cheaper. All right, so these are the new deals that they got for the ToughSystem 2.0. Yes, if you guys haven't heard my video, I did put out a glitch, a double stack glitch with these. Let us know down in the comment section. Did you guys mix and match? Which ones did you get? And what was the price? All right, so $84.98 for the medium toolbox, $129 for the 2-drawer, $149 for the 3-drawer, and then $119 for the cart. These are the savings. You got spend $4.99, save $150. Spend $3.99, save $100. Spend $2.49, save $50. So obviously that $4.99 is gonna get you the best deal, the bang for your buck. All right, so these are $49. These are the 10 compartment organizers, deep for the 2.0, and then you got $64 for the smaller toolbox. That they call it, yeah, 22-inch, and $119 for the large toolbox, 24-inch. So that's it right there. And then they got the two drawers, or the double drawer. This one's $129. That from actually not. That's the regular price, and it's actually gonna be on the buy more save more. So you're gonna be able to save some money on that one. Then they got the 3-drawer. This was $149. For the 3-drawer, pretty nice organizer. And then they got the tool bag. This is a 22-inch tool bag, $114. It is compatible with the ToughSystem 2.0. So you guys are able to stack really nice yellowish, goldish letters. And lots of pockets on all 4 sides. And really nice handle and thick plastic on the bottom. So very heavy duty. Alright, so they got the ToughSystem 2.0 work light. This is one of the newer items, $199. So yeah, we did see this at the other store. But if you guys do look closely, you got 2 lights on the top. And then you got a button there and a battery. It looks like a battery meter there. That's the way it looks. So it's a half stack. If you guys look at it closely. And it does have one touch release, hanging hook, and tripod mounts. So you guys are able to do all that with this light. Pretty nice, kind of like a packet light. And then they got the dual port charger. So this charger charges 2 batteries at once, plus it does hold your batteries. If you guys look closely, so $199 for that one. And then they got this box. It does include some organizers on the inside. If you guys look there on the box, and some dividers. So this is the deep tool box, $69.98. And then they got the rolling there, the rolling cart. They got the larger box, or medium box that they call it, for $84.98. Alright, so on to the widgets, guys. We do got some sales, we do got some deals. So you buy any of the drawers on the top, you get the free cart, and you are able to attach it to that box as well, any of the boxes. $99 to the right, you get the all-terrain box, rolling toolbox, and then you got the organizer. So $39 for the medium, if you guys did see right there. So, and then the rolling cart is $70. I don't know why they have it for $79. It might be the older version, but to my knowledge, from what I see here, it's this one. And this one is the cart. So you're able to squeeze it, obviously, and put that handle all the way to the top. And if you guys look closely, that's where it releases to release the box. That's where it locks into place. So you're able to use this with any rigid modular storage system, or a box, basically, with this storage system, the 2.0. And let's look at the inside. Pretty solid handles and locks there. Does come with some nice organizer there. Very, very wide. You guys notice that the tires or the wheels don't bother the box of the inside at all. They do stick out a little bit. I think that's a plus, because you are able to hold a little bit more than, wider tools and stuff like that. These are the drawers. So these are double drawers. Pretty nice. Pretty big. Deep drawers, and wide as well. So $99 a piece. That's a lock to lock the drawers, and you are able to put a nice padlock there, or lock in there, to prevent theft, or to keep the honest people honest, right? All right, so you got the cart handle thing. This one with the wheels, $49.99, $98. $39 for the medium toolbox. And then for the smaller one, $29, not from $39. So they do got some sales on these, and then the vacuum's $129. It is compatible with this modular storage system. All right, so on to the Husky, guys. They do got some nice deals on this one. Just about the same money if you think about it. But this one's gonna be like an always low price, but still a pretty decent, pretty good quality. I think it's on par with the Rigids. It's just that the Rigid has a little bit more wider range or wider selection. But this one does have, it is available with the milk crate there. If you guys look at it, it's $34. And it's very sturdy. I really like the quality on these. If I wouldn't be on a budget, definitely jump on this one. $39 for the middle box, $29 for the smaller one. So that's pretty good. 79 for the bigger one. All right, this one's on clearance. This one's 125 down from 249. It's a high output 2-pack of 5 amp hour and 2.5 amp hour battery. All right, last but not, or almost, yeah, last. You got the mud mixer, guys. I seen this on TikTok and I believe YouTube. There's a lot of people that have been using this, so they catch my attention. It's something fairly newer. So I guess this is operating instructions. So it has them right there. You got a button there, on and off, or forward. You got a place to connect the hose. So that's pretty nice. A built-in hose connector and input the attachments and on and off. And I don't know if you could rotate that around with that lock or not. So you guys don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.